Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to import pictures or photos in IbisPaint X. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, first what we want to do is open up IbisPaint X on our mobile device. Then from here we want to click onto My Gallery. And now as you can see, I've got a couple of photos inside of my gallery. Now from here, click on the plus icon on the bottom left hand corner of the page, and then we can import a folder, which is a premium version, or import a picture. So from this demonstration, we'll click on import picture. Now from here, just choose that picture inside your mobile device. So I'm going to import this spider here, and then it'll say import picture. If you have imported analog line drawings, you can use extract line drawing filter to make the non-line areas transparent if you like. If you import a photo of a person or object, you can use a background remover filter to cut out only the object. So you've got some editing options here. If you don't want to do that, just go ahead and click on cancel, and then here you go. So we've successfully imported a picture inside of, and there you go. So you've successfully imported your picture into IbisPaint X, where you can start editing, have a look at all your different brushes and all that good stuff here.